Given below are two number series. Series 1 is a missing number series, while series 2 is a wrong number series, which follows pattern of series 1 only. Okay. First one missing series, second one wrong number series. Okay. What is the difference between 639 and 1000? 639 and 1000 difference. 361. Next, what is the difference between 350 and 639? 289. What is the difference between 189 and 350? 169. 169 13 square, 289 361 19 square, and previous one 11 square. What is the 11 square? 121, and previous one 7 square 49. 11 plus 49 60 means p value are how much? 60 or not? P value 60. And second one is wrong number series or not? First one is missing series, second one wrong number series. What is the difference between 450 and 619? 2 or 1? 169. What is the difference between 329 and 450? 121. 280 and 329 difference. 49. 7 square, 11 square, 13 square. Obviously here 5 square, 25. And here 3 square. And here 2 square. 242 plus 4. 246. But here value 251. Then wrong number in second series is how much? 251. Okay. What is the question here? If 2 is added in successive terms of series starting with the nearest prime number of p, then find the fifth term of this new series. 2 is added in successive terms of a series starting with the nearest prime number of p. What is the p value? 60. Nearest prime number means either 59 or 61. Two possibilities. If you have taken 59, what is the next number? 61. Next number 63. Next number 65. Next number 67. That is fifth term. It is one way. Or another way, if you have taken first term is 61, second term 63, next one 65, next one 67, next one 69. In that case, which one is the fifth term? 69 or not? Nearest prime number, either 59 are possible or 61 are possible or not. If you are consider 51, what is the answer we are getting? 67. If you are consider 61, what is the answer we are getting? 69. How many possibilities? Two possibilities. Then answer either C or D. C or D. Which option? Third option. Next question number 147. If y is the wrong number term of series 2, then find the value of 2y plus 1. What is the y value we are getting? 251. But we require 2y plus 1. 2y means it is 502 plus 1. How much? 503. First option. Wrong number of the series. Question number 148. If a mixture contains milk and water in the ratio of which one? 4:1. If 20% of the mixture is taken out and the same amount of milk and water are added into mixture, then find the difference between the milk and water in the final mixture becomes 72 liters. Find the initial amount of mixture. Milk and water are in which ratio? 4:1. Milk is how many parts? 4 parts. Water 1 part. Total mixture 5 parts. In that mixture, how much percent are taken? 20%. Means each one remaining quantity 80%. Out of the 5 parts, 20% are taken. Means in 4 parts also 20% are taken. In 1 part also 20% are taken. What is the remaining value of first one? 80% of 4 parts. Second one 80% of 1 part. It is after removing 20% of the mixture. Again, same amount of milk and water are added into the mixture. Means same quantity of milk and same quantity of water is adding or subtracting? Adding. What is the total mixture? 5 parts. In that how much percent are taken? 20%. means 20% of the mixture are taken out, means in the same 20% of mixture milk is adding and water also added, means milk how much percent are adding? 20% of how many parts? 5 parts, sir. Next, water how much percent are adding? 20% of how many parts? 5 parts, sir. 20% of mixture, in place of 20% of mixture, again 20% of milk is added and 20% of water is added. Okay, these two are adding, we are get the milk in total quantity, and this one, these two are adding total quantity of water. 80% of 4 parts means 3.2. 20% of 5 means 1 part. Total it is 4.2 parts, sir. Second one, 80% of 1 part 0.8. 20% of 5 parts 1.8. 20% of 5 1. 80% of 1 0.8. Both, one is milk is how much value? 4.2 parts. Water is how many parts? 1.8 parts. What is the difference? 2.4 parts, sir. In place of 2.4 parts, how many liters are given? 72. What is the question here? Initial amount of mixture. Initial amount of mixture means how many parts? 5 parts, sir. 24 3 the 72. But it will be 30 times, sir. 5 parts means 5 into 30. 150, sir. 20% mixture taken, in place of 20% of mixture, 20% of water is added and 20% of milk is added. Question number 149. B is 20% more efficient than A. If B was 60% more efficient than A, then B could complete the work in 18 days lesser than the number of days taken by A. What fraction of work would be left after 12 days if A and B work together? First of all, B is 20% more efficient than which one? A. A efficiency, B efficiency compared to A efficiency 20% more. Suppose A efficiency are 100% and B efficiency are 120%. It is first condition. What is the second condition? B was 60% more efficient than A. Means if A efficiency are 100%, then B efficiency are 160%. That is efficiencies are time. Efficiencies. What is the efficiency ratio? 5 is to 8. Then time ratio 8 is to 5 or 8 is to 5. 5 compared to 8, how many parts are less? 3 parts. 3 parts is how many days? 18 days are given. Then 5 parts is how many days? 30 days. 3 parts are 18 means 5 parts are how much? 30 days. That 30 days is B alone can complete the work or not? What is the B efficiency? 160% into B time is how many days? 30 days, sir. Efficiency into time, we are get the work or not? Okay. The same work is completed by B in first case. What is the efficiency are using? 120% or not? 120% into B time or not? What is the second case? B efficiency 160. What is the B time? 30. Efficiency into time, we are get the work or not? The same work is completed by B in first case. What is the efficiency? 120 into time. 30 how many times? 4 times. 4 how many times? 40 or not? T alone in how many days? 40 days or not? Okay. What is the original efficiency ratio? 5 is to 6 or 5 plus 6? 5 is to 6. Efficiency 5 is to 6 means what is the time ratio? 6 is to 5. What is the 5 parts value? 40 days and 6 parts value 48 days. Sir. What is the question here? What fraction of work would be left after 12 days if A and B work together? Means A and B working together for how many days? 12 days. What is the A efficiency? 5 parts. B efficiency 6 parts. Total work 11 parts. 11 parts for how many days? 12 days. Means how much work are completed? 132. What is the B alone actual time? 40 days. What is the B efficiency? 6 or not? 40 into 6 means what is the total work? 240 or not? What is the total work? 240. In that 12 days how much work are completed? 132. What is the remaining work? 102. 8 or not? The required remaining work means first we need to identify the total work or not. What is the total work? 240. In that how much work are completed? 132. What is the remaining work? 108. That 108 is the left work or not? But we required fraction or value? Fraction. Then we return 108 by how much? 240. 9 how many times? 12 times. Sorry. 12 how many times? 9 times. 20 times or not? What is the fraction we are getting? 9 by 20. Actually, we are not required A time or not. What is the B time are getting? 40. Into 6 means how much? 240. A and B, 11 parts work for 12 days means 132. What is the remaining? 108 or not? Next question number 150. A and B entered into a partnership and invested their respective amounts in the ratio of 2:1, and C and D entered into another partnership with initial investments in the ratio of 2:1. Total investment of A and B was 25% less than the C and D. If the total profit of all the 4 persons at the end of the year is 10,500, then the profit of A or not? First, A and B ratio is how much? 2:1. Next, C and D ratio 2:1 or not? Suppose A and B, then I consider one is 2 parts, another one 1 part. C and D, one is 2x, another one x or not? Yes or no? Next, total investment of A and B was 25% less than the which one? C and D. A and B together means 3 parts. C and D together means 3x or not? 3 parts value compared to 3x values 25% lesser. 25% means 1/4 lesser. What is the remaining? 3 by 4th. 3 by 4th of which one? 3x. Both sides 3 get cancelled. Then parts by x, it is equal to how much? 3 by 4. In place of b we are substitute 3. In place of x we are substitute 4. A means how much? 6. B means 3. Next, C means 8. D means 4. Then A, B, C, D ratio 6:3:8:4. AB ratio 6:3 and C and D ratio 8:4. And the total profit of all the 4 persons is how much? 10,500. Total how many parts? 21 parts. In place of 21 parts, how much value are given? 10,500. We required which one share? A share. How many parts we need? 6 parts. What is the answer? 3,000. Next question number 151. Read the following information. Below pie chart shows the 4 different college percentage of total students. Total number of students are given how much? 2,500. In the total number of boys are 1,200. Difference will be total number of girls are. First in college P. In college P, total students is how much? 20%. 20% of 2,500. 500. College P total how many members? 500. College P boys is, what is the percentage? College P boys are A%. Next, second one, any other clue? Number of girls in college Q is how much? 10. Number of girls in college Q 10. College Q, what is the total students? X person, but number of girls in college Q is how many members are given? 10. And what is the note? Second note are given. Difference between the number of boys and girls in college P is how much? 100. Boys and girls college P difference is how many members? 100. But college P sum of the boys and girls 500. 500 plus 100 600. Divide by 2 300. Boys are 300. Girls are 200. That is college P. Next, college Q boys is how much percent? 20%. 20% of 1200. 240. Boys in college Q is how much? 240. Then total strength in college Q is how much? 250 or 250. 250 is what percent of 2500? 10%. Means X equal to how much percent? 10% or no? Yes or no? Next, college R. College R percentage is how much? Y percent or no? College R Y percent. But college R boys is how much? 30%. 30% of which one? 1200. Means college R boys is how much? 360 or no? Next, college S. Total strength is how much? 25%. 25% of 2500. 625 or no? And one more, already we know the P percentage, S percentage, Q percentage. Obviously we are get the R percentage or no? 20 plus 25, 45 plus 10 means 55. What is the remaining? 45. 45% of which one? 2500. 45% of 2500. It is 45 into 25. 900 plus 225. 1100. 25 or not? Means Y value is how much percent? 45% or not? Next, college R boys are already 360. Subtracting, we are get the girls in college R or not? 1125 minus 360. 765. College S. College S boys is how much percent? B percent. College A boys, sorry, college P boys 300. That 300 equal to A percent or B percent? A percent. A percent of 1200 equal to how much value? 300. Means 300 is what percent of 1200? 25%. A equal to how much percent? 25%. If A 25%, 25 plus 20, 45 plus 30, 75. Obviously B also 25% or not? What is the 25% of 1200? 300. Means boys in colleges is how much? 300. Girls in colleges 325 or not? What is the first one? 10% of the boys from colleges scored more than 90%. Scored more than 90%. Then find the maximum number of boys who scored less than 90%. Colleges boys is how many members? 300. In the 10% more than 90%, less than 90%. Out of 300, 10% subtracting or not? What is the 10% of 300? 30. 300 minus 30. 270. No confusion. 90% of 300. How much? 270. Next question number 152. Total number of boys in college S is what percentage of the total number of students in college P? Boys in college S 300 is what percent of total students in college P? 500. 300 by 500 means 60%. Next question number 153. Find the difference between the total number of boys in college P and R, total number of girls in Q and S. Boys in P. What are the boys in P? 300. R 360. Total it is 660 or not? Total number of girls in Q and S. What are the girls in Q? 10. In S 325. Total it is 335. What is the difference? 325. 154. Which of the following statement is true? Total number of students is least in college? Yes. College's least value? No. Second statement, total boys in college R is 360. College R boys 360 or not? It may be true. But the third one, total girls in college P is 450. Girls in P? No. Next, difference between boys and girls in college S is 100. No. None of the above. Then answer. Total boys in college R is 360. That is true or not? Next 155. In another college T, the number of girls is 20% more than that of which one? College S. Boys is 15% less than that of college R. Find the total number of students in the college T. First, girls is 20% more than that of S. What are the girls in S? 325. 20% means 65. Total it is 390. Boys is 15 less than the college R. For the college R, 360. 10%, 36. 5%, 18. 360 minus 54. Nothing but 306. 306. We required total value. For the total value, 696. ఒక 15 minutes టైం తీసుకొని అయినా ఈ 10 క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తే మన చేతిలో 10 మార్క్స్ ఉన్నాయా లేవా? ఎస్ సార్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 140. Car X travels for 4 hours to reach from point A to B, and car Y travels 210 kilometers to reach point B to C in 3 hours. Distance traveled by car X to cover A to B is 1/7 more than the distance traveled by car Y. How much time car X will take to reach the point A to C? Okay, one is A to B, one is A to B, another one B to C. Car X travels A to B how many hours? 4 hours. And car Y travels B to C how many hours? 3 hours. But car B to C, how much distance are covered? 210 kilometers. And A to B distance is 1/7 more than the car Y. 1/7 means 7 parts are 210. 1 part means 30. 1/7 more means 30 more. Means A to B distance is 240. Okay. Then what is the A to B? X speed is how much? X speed means we return 240 by 4 equal to how much? 60 kilometer per hour. What is the question here? How much time car X will take to reach from point A to C? Means entire distance are covered. Entire distance means 450. It is covered with a speed of 60. How many hours? 7.5 hours. Which option? Fourth. Next question number 141. to 145. The bar chart shows the number of shares and prices of one share in 7 years. How many years are given? 7 years or only 1 year? 7 years. 2001, 2002, 2003 and 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. Okay, first one, number of shares. Number of shares. What is the second one? Price per share. Price per each sharer. Price of each share. Okay. In 2001, what is the number of shares? 10,000. Next, 2003, what is the number of shares? 11,000. In 2005, what is the number of shares? 25,000. 2007, what is the number of shares? 30,000. These are the number of shares. Next, what is the price per share in 2002? 90. Next, 2004, 150. Next, 2006, 110. Okay. First we are fill the table. After that questions are noted. What the first one? Note are given. Market value is equal to the which one? Price per share multiplied by total number of shares. Means suppose price for each share in 2001, suppose X rupees. What is that number of shares? 10,000. 10,000 into X. We are get the total market price. Next, what is the next point are given? Gross profit is equal to market value minus liability and expenses. Means gross profit, it is equal to market value minus liability minus expenses. Okay, that is the second one. And one more are given. Cost of the share is increased by 20% in 2002. From which one? 2001. From 2001 to 2002, cost of a share is increased by 20%. Means 2001 100%, 2002 120%. What is the ratio? 5:6 or 6 parts are 90. Every one part 15. 5 parts are 75. Next. Uh, and it is decreased by 5% in the next year. Means from 2000 to 2003 it is decreased by how much? 5% or not? What is the 5% of 90? 4.5. 90 minus 4.5. 85.5 or not? Yes sir. Next. What is the next one are given? Number of shares is increased by 20% in 2002 from 2001. From 2001 to 2002, shares are increased by 20%. Already 2001, 10,000. Increased by 20% means 12,000. Okay. And cost of a share is decreased by 12% in 2006 as compared to 2005. Compared to 2005, 2006 is how much percent are decreased? 12%. What is the 12% of 150? 18 or 150 minus 18, 130. Sorry, 2006 is compared to which one? 2005. Means it is decreased. If it is 100%, this one are how much? 88% or 88%. 22 4 times 22, 5 times or 4 how many times? 25. 25 into 5, 125 or not? Means 2005 each share value is how much? 125 rupees or not? Next. And it is increased by 20% in the next year. Means from 2006 to 2007 it is increased by 20%. Means it will become 132 or not? 20% adding or subtracting? Adding. Any other data? No. What is the first question? If the liability in the year 2004 is 1.5 times of the expenses, which is 30,000, and the gross profit in 2004 was 18 lakhs, then find the total number of shares in the same year or different year? Same year. First of all, gross profit equal to how much? 18 lakhs. Gross profit equal to 18 lakhs. 18,000,000. That is equal to, actually gross profit meaning market value minus liability. Market value minus liability minus expenses. Here expenses value is given how much? 30,000. Expenses are 30,000. But liability is 1.5 times of expenses. Means liability will be 45,000. Expenses are 30,000. Right hand side those two are in negative or not? Negative becomes positive. Then total it is 1875 double triple zero or not? That is equal to which one? Market value or not? But market value it is also equal to which one? Per share value multiplied by which one? Total number of shares. What is the per share value in 2004? 150 or not? Yes or no? Number of shares are unknown. Then I written n into 150 or not? N into 150. Left hand side market value. The same market value it is equal to number of shares multiplied by each one share price or not? Both sides zeros are cancelled or not? 15 how many times? 12 times. Again 5 times or not? Then n equal to how much? 12,500 or not? That is the number of shares in which year? 2004. Next question number 142. What is the average number of shares approximately in all the years if in 2004 the market value is 15,75,000 and the number of shares in 2006 is 25% more than that of 2004? Average number of shares in all the years are required. But in 2004 market value is given how much? 15,75,000. Then I return 15,75,000 divide by 150. We are get the number of shares in which year? 2004. because already 2004 what is the each one price value 150 divide by 150 where get the number of shares are 0 0 cancel 15 how many times 10 times again 5 times double zero okay, that is number of shares in which year 2004. Next, shares in 2006 is 25% more than the which one 2004. Compared to this one 25% more or less, more, adding or subtracting, adding. What is the 50% value 5250, again half 5250 half value 2625. These two are adding or subtracting, adding. Total it is 12,000, 12 or 13, 13,125. That is 2006 number of shares. 2006 number of shares is how much? 13,125. 2004 number of shares are 10,500. But we required average number of shares in all the years or only 1 year? All the years. First we are adding the 2001. What is the number of shares? 10,000. 2002 12,000. 2003 11,000. Total it is 33. 33 plus 30 63 plus 25 88. 88,000 plus, and here 10,500 plus 13,125. Total it is 23,625. Both are adding 625. 88 plus 23 111. Divide by how many years? 7 years or 6 years? 7 years. Divide by 7. 7 how many times? Almost 7 14 is 98. 7 15 is 105. More than 15 times. 7 16 is how much? 112. More than 15 times but less than 16 times. Third option possible or fifth option? Fifth option, because it is more than 15 times but less than 16 times. Answer 15,946. Because remaining 3 options are eliminated. Question number 143. Find the difference between the shares of in 2005 and the average shares in 2002 and 2007 together. What are the 2005 shares? 25,000. Average of 2002 and 2007. 2002 12,000. 2007 30,000. Total it is 42. Average 21. 21 and 25 difference 4,000. Next 144. If the total shares in 7 years is 1,19,000 and the total shares in 2004 is 3,000 less than the 2006, then find the total shares in 2004. First, total shares in all the 7 years is how much? 1,19,000. 1,19,000. In that already these values sum 83,000. What is the remaining? 88,000. What is the remaining? 31. That 31 is the sum of 2004 and 2006. Both are adding, it is 31. Both are subtracting 3,000. 31 plus 3 34. Divide by 2 17. One is 17,000, another one 2006 value 17,000 and 2004 value 3,000 less 14,000. What is the question here? Find the total shares in 2004. What is the answer? 14,000. 145. If the total shares in 2006 is how much? 20,000 and gross profit in the same year how much? 75,000. Gross profit in the same year is how much? 75,000. If the ratio of the liability and expenses is given 19:15, then find the difference between the liability and expenses of the company in 2006. First, total shares in 2006 is given 20,000 and gross profit in the same year is given how much? 75,000. Gross profit, it is nothing but market value minus liability minus expenses. First of all, 20,000 into 110, how much? 22. How many zeros? 5 zeros, sir. That is market value or not? Market value or gross profit? Market value. But here gross profit is given how much? 75,000. Then I return 75,000. It is equal to 2 lakhs 22 lakhs 22 lakhs minus liability and expenses. 19 plus 15, 34 parts are minus 34 parts are 22 lakhs minus 70,000. What is the difference? 34 parts equal to 22 lakhs minus 70,000. 2 lakhs 20, sorry, 20, last 3 zeros, 25, 21, 21 lakhs 25,000. 34 parts equal to 21 lakhs 25,000. What is the question here? Difference between liabilities and expenses. How many parts we need? 4 parts, sir. 34, 17 multiple, 17 how many times? 2 times. 17 how many times? 21. 1 time. What is the remaining? 42. 42 means 2 times. Again 5 times, sir. That is 125,000. It will be double or triple? 2 parts 1,25,000. 4 parts 2,50,000. 2.5 lakhs, sir. Next question number 121. Question number 121. A and B started a business by investing P rupees and 1.2 P rupees respectively. After X months, A withdraw her entire amount and Chetan entered into a business after end of 9 months. Beena increased her initial investment by 25% on completion of 1 year. The share of A and B in entire profit was 14,200. If Beena would have increased her investment after X month, then share of A and B in entire profit would have been the ratio of 10:27. First of all, what is the A initial investment? P or not? B initial investment 1.2 P or not? Okay. What is the last condition? First one, after X months, A withdraw her amount means A how many months are using? X months or not? What are the last 2 lines? Beena would have increased her investment after X months, then share A and B in the profits are in which ratio? 10:27. Means Beena also after how many months? X months. After X months is capital R increased or decreased? Increased. Beena increased her initial investment by how much? 25%. 25%. Already 1.2. What is the 25% of 1.2? 0.3. 1.2 plus 0.3. 1.5. 1.5 parts used for how many months? 12 minus X or 12 plus X? 12 minus X or 12 minus X. P rupees for X months, 1.2 P rupees for X months plus 1.5 P used for 12 minus X months. These two are profits ratio or time ratio? Profits ratio. That is equal to how much? 10/27 or 10/27. And simplify this one, we are get the X value. Numerator P, denominator P cancel. Just cross multiplication, left hand side we are getting 27x, right hand side we are getting 10 into 1.2, 12x plus 1.5 into 10, 15, but minus 15x or plus 15x? Minus 15x plus 1.5 into 12, 18, 18 into 10, 180, and 12x minus 15x minus 3x, negative becomes positive. Total it is 30x equal to 180. X equal to how much? 6, sir. X is how many months? 6 months, sir. Which option? What is the first question? Find the value of X What is the x value you are getting? 6 months, sir. Next, what is the second question? Find the difference between profit share of A and B if the ratio of their profit share was how much? 20 is to 15. 20 is to 51. Directly profits ratio are given, or directly profits ratio are given. Find the difference between the profit share of A and B if the ratio of their profits was given how much? 20 is to 51. What is the condition here? Share of A and B in entire profit was how much? 14,200. Total how many parts? 71 parts equal to how much? 14,200. How many parts we need? 31 parts, sir. Double or triple? Double. What is the answer? 6,200. Maybe direct question or not? Next question number 123. If Chetan invested 1500, same time period of Avani, their profits ratio is 1:2 respectively. Then find the investment of Avani. Chetan invested how many rupees? 15,000. And the same time period of which one? Avani. Means Avani and Chetan time period are same or different? Same. Time of Chetan and time of A equal or different? Equal. Means time is constant. When time is constant, profits and investment directly proportional. What is the profits ratio? 1:2. Means investments also 1:2. What is the one part value? 15,000. Then two parts value 30,000. What is the question here? Investment of 1 year. First option or second option? First option. Next question number 124. Decide the combination of which rows of table 1 and table 2 are sufficient to answer the question. Cost price of an article is dash rupees. A shopkeeper marks up the article by dash percent and offers a discount of dash percent. What will be the selling price of the article? Required selling price. If required selling price means if we know the cost price, if we know the profit percent, obviously we are get the selling price. Yes sir. Means we are concentrate on first one and concentrate on first one cost price are given. Second one market price and discount. Second one market price. Third one discount percentage. What is the first column? Column 1 A value. Column 2. What is the 2 value are equal to T. 3 value are equal to T by 2. And B 1 equal to 100. 2 equal to T minus 1. And in second box column 1 C value profit earned is how much? 8%. And D what is the one value? 100. Okay. Just we are check the combinations. A comma C combination. A comma C combination means what is the first option? A comma C. A means 2 and 3. C combination means profit earned is how much? 8%. Okay. Means in second one we return T value and in third one we return T by 2. Next in first one profit earned is how much? 8%. Sorry, C value profit earned is how much? 8%. Suppose cost price of an article we are consider 100 rupees. But in first one there is no clarity about the cost price. If you are taken A comma C option, only we are get the second value and third value. Yes or no? Next, in second option, what is the A comma D? Second option A comma D. A means 2 and 3. D means 1 value. All are filling. In second option A comma D are given. A means 2 comma 3. D means 1. All the 3 blanks are filling. Then in place of 1 we return how much value? 100. In place of 2 we written t. In place of 3 we written t by 2 or not. Okay. Cost price are 100. Suppose market price I consider 80%. 80% above means cost price are how many rupees? 100. Market price are 80% more means 180%. In that, what is the discount value? T by 2, 40% or not? What is the 40% of 180? 72. Subtracting, we are get the selling price or not? What is the selling price? 108% or not? We are get the selling price value or not? Because we know the already cost price value or not? What is the cost price? 100. If you are get the cost, if cost price is 100 rupees means obviously we are get the selling price value or not? Means second one is satisfied. Yes or no? But t value is unknown, t by 2 also unknown or not? If you are assume 40 and 20, we are get the selling price or not? Okay. What is the third one? B comma D. In B, 1 comma 2 values 100 and t minus 1, and D value 100 is given or not? Means both the cases B, D values 100 and 100. Actually third option not possible because second one is missing or not? Second one missing. Next fifth one, what is the option? B comma C. B comma C means 1 and 2 are given. C means profit earned are given. And here T minus 1. T minus 1 means it is also no clarity or not? Then answer. What are the nearest values? Only B comma D or not? Sorry, A comma D. Second option. Only A comma D. B comma C. What is the C value? Profit earned is how much? 8%. But B value means one is 100, another one T minus 1. There is no clarity about the T value. Fourth option, neither combination. అంటే ఒక ఓన్లీ వన్ వాల్యూ పాసిబిలిటీ అవుతుందంటే అది కరెక్ట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా అదే వాల్యూ అవుతుందా లేదా? ఇఫ్ ఎజంప్షన్ టీ వాల్యూ 40, what the columns are given? Profit earned is how much? 8% అన్నాడు. అంటే పైన ఉన్న కండిషన్తో పాటు సెకండ్ కాలంలో ఉన్న ప్రాఫిట్ ఎర్నడ్ ఎంత అని చెప్పాడు? 8%. ఆ కండిషన్ కూడా సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలా లేదా? దట్స్ వై టీ వాల్యూ 40 తీసుకుంటే మాత్రమే సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది. చూడండి, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఇది హౌ మచ్? 100. మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ ఆర్ 140. టీ వాల్యూ 80%. టీ వాల్యూ 80%. మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ is how much? 180. In that 40% discount means 72. 180 minus 72. Selling price is how much? 108. Based on second column, we are taken T value is how much? 80. Only ఒక possibility మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది చూడండి. Suppose if we are taken T value 40. T value 40. CP is how much? 100. MP value 140. In that how much percent discount? 20%. 20% means 28 or 140 minus 28. 112. But సెకండ్ కాలంలో మనకి ఏముందండి? ప్రాఫిట్ ఎర్నడ్ 8%. ఆ కండిషన్ కూడా సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి కదా. ఓకే, బి what is the one value? 100. Next C, what is the profit earned? డైరెక్ట్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. What is the B1 value? 100. We know the cost price. In C, what is the profit earned? 8% earned. Then we are the directly selling price earned. What is the answer? 108. In B, what is the first one? 100. C, what is the profit earned? 8%. Then answer B comma C, not A comma D. because we know the cost price and we know the profit person. Obviously we are get the selling price, sir. 125. Solve both the equations and form a new equation in variable z. Reduce the lowest possible factor using the roots of the equation 1 and 2 as per instructions. What is the first one? 2 minus 11 by x plus 9 by x square equal to 0. Entire equation is multiplied by x square, or not? Means we are getting 2x square minus 11x plus 9 equal to 0. What is the product value? 18. Sum value 11. One will be plus 9 by 2. Another one plus 2 by 2. Or not? Initial roots negative, final roots positive, sir. 9 by 2 means we return 4.5. 2 by 2 means 1. What are the roots? 4 and comma 1. What is the second one? Y minus 2 square equal to 2 1 by 4. This one we return y minus 2 whole square equal to 9 by 4. Square becomes root, means it is plus or minus or only positive. Plus or minus. Y minus 2 equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Y minus 2 equal to plus 3 by 2. Another one, y minus 2 equal to minus 3 by 2. First y equal to 3 by 2 plus 2. 7 by 2. 7 by 2. One is minus 3 by 2. Another one plus 2. Minus 3 by 2 plus 2. It will be 1 by 2. What is the one of the root? 7 by 2. Another root 1 by 2. And what will be the new equation if roots of these are highest root of the equation 1? What is the equation 1 highest root? 4.5. Next, and lowest root of the equation 2. What is the lowest root of equation 2? 1 by 2. Highest root of the equation 1, 4.5. Lowest root of the equation 2, 1 by 2. And which equation it will be formed? What is the first option? 4z square minus 20z plus 9 equal to 0. 4 9s are how much? 36. Means 18 into 2. 1 will be plus 18. Another one plus 2. What is the coefficient of z square? 4. Divide by 4. 18 by 4 means 4.5. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Then first option is satisfy the given condition. Remaining check చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంటుందా? No. Next question number 126. One 31 చేశాక 126 పొందాం. 131. Given data is about a track record of car racing game where 4 cars PQRS are competing to reach finishing the line, which is at a distance of 3000 meters from their initial starting point. And here points it is equal to 50 drips minus 20 crashes. And car P, how many drips are there? 5. Time to reach finishing the line in how many seconds? 180 seconds. First we need to identify the car P speed. Car P speed. Car P speed. Car P, how much distance are covered? 3000 meters. It is covered in how many seconds? 180. Divide by 180. We are get the car P speed. Zeros are cancelled. 6 3 times. 6 50 times. 6 3s are 6 how many times? 50 times. It is 50 by 3 meter per second. Okay. Next, what is the note are given? Drift repairs or starting intentionally done by driver. While calculating average speed, don't consider time taken, drift or crash. What is the first one? Which car earned maximum points at the end of the race? Which one are earned maximum points or minimum points? Maximum. First one, car P. How many drifts are there? 5. 50 into 5 or only 50? 50 into 5. Then P 250 minus how many crashes? 3 crashes. 20 into 3 or only 3? 20 into 3 means minus 60 or plus 60? minus 60. 250 minus 60. 190. Next Q. In Q, how many drips are there? 7. 50 into 7 means 350 minus 5 into 20. 100. 350 minus 100. 250 or 6 into 50 or 6 into 50 means 300. Next 4 into 20. How much? 80. 300 minus 80. 220 or yes. 8 into 50, 400 minus 20 into 6, 120. What is the remaining? 280 points are earned. Okay. What is the question here? Maximum points earned at the end of the race. Which one is maximum earned? Yes, sir. Which option? Second one. Next 132. In order to gain 10 more points than car, yes, sir. How many total drips should car P as made if car P time and number of crashes remain same? In order to gain 10 more points than the car, yes, sir. Okay. Car, yes. What are the car S points? 280. 10 more means 290. That is equal to 10 more points than the which one? Car S. How many total drips should car P as made? Okay. What is the car P actual drips? 5 or 5 plus some value. Yes or no? Or simply we are taken directly second time it will be x drips or not. X drips means each drip 50 times or not. 50 into x minus 20 into how many crashes? 3 crashes or not. 20 into 3. 23 now how much? 60. 290 plus 60. 350. 50 into x equal to 350. Then x equal to 7 or not. What is the question here? Total drips are required or not? Total how many drips? 7 or not? Next 133. Another car named T makes a total number of drips same as that of car and is still received 0 points at the end. How many crashes must car T have suffered or not? First, another car named T makes a total number of drips same as that of which one? Car R. What is the car R drips? 6. Then we return 50 into 6 minus 20 into number of crashes or not? Number of crashes. These two difference we are get the points or not? But here still received 0 points or not? Means that is equal to how much? 0. 50 into 6, 300. That 300 equal to 20 into n or not? Then n equal to how much? 300 by 20. How many times? 15 times or not? Next 134. Speed of the car S is what percentage more than that of car Q? What is the car S speed? S speed means 100 seconds. How much distance are covered? 3000 or not? Distance constant or not? What is the time of the S? 100 seconds. What is the time of the Q? Time of the Q 120 or not? S and Q time ratio 100 is to 120. Time ratio 5 is to 6. Then speeds ratio 6 is to 5. How many parts are more? One part. 1 upon 5. What is the answer? 20%. Next 135. How much speed does a car R needed to gain in order to cover the twice the distance in 5 by 3 of the original time taken? And here how much speed does R needed to gain in order to cover twice the distance? Twice the distance means already distance 3000. Twice means 2 into 3000 by it is covered in how much time? 5 by 3 of the original time. 5 by 3 of original time. What is the original time? R. Original time 150 multiplied by 150 or 3 how many times? 50 times or 0 0 cancel. 5 5 how much? 25. 25 how many times? 12 times. 12 into 2. 24 seconds or next 120. 126. How much volume of initially empty tank P filled in 1 hour? Question number 130 చూడండి first. Uh, Cylindrical tanks also deficient tank to fill are empty. The tank by inlet pipe A and B, outlet pipe C. Question number 130. Tank PQR is given, volumes are given and heights are given. Time taken by pipe A in hours. Ratio of the time taken by B to C. Ratios are given. First, ratio between the time taken by B and C is different because pipes were used by the operator in different ways for different tanks. Radius of the tank S is how much? 10.5. What is the question number 130? Another tank Z has its height is 20% more than that of which one? R. Radius as 20% more than that of which one? P. What is the total surface area of the tank? But approximate value or exact value? Approximate value. Exam lo ganaka ee 5 questions aithe touch cheyakandi first. It will be time taken process. Okay. Another tank Z height is 20% more than the which one? R. What is the R height? 35. 20% means 7. 35 plus 7, 42. Next, radius is 20% more than the P. What is the P radius? Unknown. First we required P radius means 38808 equal to, what is the volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h. Pi means 22 by 7 into r square into h value 28. 7 how many times? 4 times. Okay. 22. 11 2 times, 11 3 times, again 58 means 5 times. What is the remaining? 3 times. 30. 30 means 2 times, again 8 times. 2 4 the how much? 8. 8 4 the 32. 32 means 4 times. 1 r square equal to 441, r equal to 21. Compared to this one, how much percent are more? 20% more. What is the 10%? 2.1. 20%? 4.2. 21 plus 4.2. 25.2. Okay. And what is the question here? What is the total surface area of the tank Z? Total surface area 2 pi r into r plus hr. 2 pi r 44 by 7 into r value 252 by 10 into r plus h 67 or 8? 67.2. Okay. Denominator 10. 7 how many times? 3 times, 6 times, or any other cancellations? Nearest value calculation cheyandi. I think nearest value 10,644 and those 44 into 36 into 672. Can I stop?